So good day, sir. So I will be the next reporter. So my topic that I'm going to report is all about building inspection. So building inspection is to be done by the fire officer or the BFP to secure that the houses or the structures are very safety to occupy or to kanang safety na siyang puyan, sir. So during the construction of the building, so the city municipal fire marshal having jurisdiction of the basis and the issuance of FSC. So FSC stands for Fire Safety Certificate. So to determine the specification and the plans are being followed, especially the fire safety precaution. So after the completion of construction, the city municipal fire marshal having a jurisdiction on the basis of the issue of FSIC. So ang FSIC na po is the Fire Safety Inspection Certification. So that the required of fire safety are properly installed to those fire protected system in accordance with the approved plans of specification. So kanis lang mo inspect if na-follow ba ang safety plans para sa fire protection. So inspection procedures that to be followed are, so muna siya, A, it starts with the endorsement of building officials. So gi-endorse siya sa building officials for the application of occupancy permit accompanied of a certificate of completion. So the building official gi-endorse siya nga for application of occupancy nga pwede na siyang puyan, permit na pwedeng puyan ang usa ka establishment na kay kuha na siya certificate of completion. So complete na siya. Tapos second or B is the prepare of inspection order will be forwarded to Chief FSS for signing and recommendation. So it will be forwarded to the chief, and the FSS will answer. The FSS stands for the Fire Safety Evaluation System. So muna sila mo evaluate sa ka building or sa one establishment if safety ba, if puyan. Tapos the third is the chief, the FSS will endorse the said inspection order including the name of the agent assigned FSI. FSI is the fire safety inspection to the city municipal fire marshal, or muna siya katong fire marshal mo dako sa city municipal fire the Bureau of Fire sa lugar sa may dako, and that having for approval and signature, kinahanglan na approval signature para matawag ni tawagan na ba complete ang papers for inspection. Tapos D, the FSI shall conduct final inspection to the establishment applying for occupancy permit, then prepare AIR. So AIR is the after inspection report. So with the use of the classified standard checklist, so by the use of the classified standard checklist, dito nila basihan ang base ang kuan base ang permit, kanabang paghatag niya o kanabang pag-issue sa permit nga safety jud siya. Tapos E, so the FSI will prepare a report for recommendation. So prepare report for recommendation or notice of disapproval. So it is important to sign with the chief of the probation of fire code of the Philippines. So dapat nakapirma yun ang chief with the chief sa fire sa probation of the fire code of the Philippines. So chief FSS will evaluate and recommend the final action. So siya na mo evaluate sa final action which subject for approval of the city and municipal fire marshal. So siya may last hand. Sa G, no F6 shall be issued without a submission of fire and life safety assessment report or FALAR. So if dili ka mataga if SIC or F6 if wala kay FALAR. So ang FALAR stands for the Fire and Life Safety Assessment. So lastly, H, upon approval and disapproval, the case may be endorsed to BO. So ang BO is the building officer. So mo to siya procedures that need to be followed in the inspection of one establishment for fire safety. Tapos building and routine inspection. So for existing building structure and facility, the building owner or administrator shall make available to the copies of all plant design and calculation and specification of the building as if it was actually built and constructed. So ang building owner or administrator shall make available, dapat na siya at the time of the the building is actually constructed or built. Tapos for industrial, commercial, or business operation, so the city municipal marshal having jurisdiction shall cause the inspection of premises of any industrial, so the commercial and business operation, and issue the necessary FSIC upon determination that fire safety measure for storage, handling, and or use of explosive and hazardous objects and materials. Tapos, in the periodic inspection by fire safety inspection, the city municipal or the municipal fire should conduct the periodic fire safety inspection of any building. Then inspection order after inspection report shall conform to the herein prescribed format prepared in 3 set and distributed as indicated. The after inspection report should follow the 5 safety standards inspection checklist. So, this is the one, FALAR. So, fire and life safety assessment report. Fire safety assessment report. So, the fire and life safety assessment report is required to all private and public buildings that to be constructed and being constructed. The city municipal fire marshal having jurisdiction as one of the requirements of securing FSEC or FSIC for the issuance of building permit or occupancy permit. So the procedures that the 3 sets of FALAR 1 shall be submitted to the city municipal fire marshal having jurisdiction by the building owner, signed by a architect together with a BFP. Then B, the certificate of completion of construction, 3 sets of FALAR, that 2 to be submitted to the city municipal and by the owner, signed with the contractor and construction manager. So, and C, the building owner shall make available for submission to the city municipal fire marshal having jurisdiction 3 sets of FALAR signed by building administrator the regular annual safety inspection. So what's your procedure? This the FSIC as the prerequisites for issuance permit or license upon compliance of fire safety requirements under code IRR. So the IIR stands for Implementing Rules and Regulations. So a safety fire inspection certificate FSIC shall be issued by the BFP as prerequisite for the issuance of business or mayor's permit, permit to operate, occupancy permit, PhilHealth accreditation for hospital, and DOH license to operate, and other permits. So fire safety clearance. So fire safety clearance shall be required for those storage, handling, installation, and transportation of hazardous materials, operations, and process as may be prescribed in the other provision of the IRR. So mo to siya. Yung fire issuance data required. So all person having fire issuance coverage on their properties and or business shall submitted as certificate true copies of all coverage currently in effect, including subsequent and or additional policies of city municipal fire marshal having jurisdiction not later than 10 days right after the receipt of document from any issuance company. So mo siya tanan akong report. So that's all my report, sir, and thank you.